What's going on, Petrol Juice family? I hope you're having a wonderful summer, a wonderful year, and enjoying the best time with your car. So today, we're gonna install some side muckers from Unity Performance right onto my side here. We have them right here on the side. These are the clear ones, not the ambers. I just wanted to get a nice clean look going on. And as you guys have just noticed, I got some Eibach lowering springs on the car. So it handles so much better and I love it. But besides that, I'm gonna take these bad boys off, put the new ones on, and I'll show you how to do that right in a second. All right guys, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn your wheel to the right so that way you have all the access you can get. Then next, you don't have to take any of the screws off. All you have to do is bend this plastic part back or rubber, and you're gonna see a tab right here in orange. I don't know if you see that back there. You're gonna push that back gently. As you push it back, it's gonna pop out. Let's give it a shot. There we go. All right, so once it's pulled out, oh wow, there's cobwebs. Check this out.
That's a lot.
I know. All right, well, other than that, there's gonna be a little tab in here. If you could see in between, you're gonna go ahead and pull upwards and it comes right out. Goodbye, old side marker. Hello, new one. All right, the next is plug this into here, make sure it's the correct fitting. Warning, your car may contain cobwebs. What you're gonna do is take this part out of here, twist to the left, pull out. Next thing is you're going to remove the bulb from the old socket. There you go, just a pull out. Then you're gonna take the new piece here, plug it into the existing socket. Make sure it's in there firmly, because as you're riding, everything can jump all over the place. So now that it's in there, go ahead and secure it. There we go. Now that it's nice and in there, you're gonna wanna make sure that the direction of the plug is towards the car, so that way everything is able to plug in correctly. So next thing you're gonna do is plug it into here. Make sure it clicks. So if you heard that click there, push into here. And we may, depending on how we took it out, have to bend this forward. So let's see if it clicks. Yeah, so next thing you're gonna have to do is bend this a little forward. All right, so what we're gonna have to do is create a little hook so that way this can latch onto the piece there. So take the flathead screwdriver, turn the actual flat towards you, and go ahead and bend this piece towards yourself. Oh, just keep it there. And remember, never be afraid to be a little harsh with it. Not too harsh, but enough so you know everything is coming out. So again, very simple process. Just everything from is like weatherized. It's very tough to bring off and stuff. Pull out. New connection. There again. Make sure it's firmly in place. Remember, this direction goes along with the fender liner here. So you're gonna wanna make sure that the connection port, here we go, goes directly towards the front end. So we're gonna go ahead and push this bad boy in, make sure it clicks. There we go. The same thing as before. Just make sure that this end here is a little farther out. Put front end in first. All right, she's firmly in place. Now it is time for the test. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? It's Petrol here, and I just want to let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway. As soon as we hit 1K subscribers, which we're super close, I think it's like 150 subscribers, I will be giving away all of my work merch to one person, and then 2 other people, second and third place, will receive 1 shirt as well. So if we could get to 1K, all you need to do is leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and we're going to work our way up to 1K. I'm going to give out all my merch and shirts to 3 lucky people. Again, number 1 will be all my merch, second and third will be t-shirts. Good luck, guys, and thank you so much for the support.